What's going on, guys? So today we are back with a simple, straightforward product. It kind of speaks for itself. I'm going to tell you my experience with it. It is a NEEWER camera suction mount with a ball head magic arm. Apparently it can hold up to 11 pounds in motion, which would mean you can put on your car and put something up to 11 pounds. After using it for a few days, I've noticed that it's very solid. There's not very much that you're gonna put on here that's gonna make you worry about if it's falling or not. Applying it to objects is pretty simple. You just need a flat or sort of concave or convex, not too much, surface, and you just push the button on it, that red tube. Push it in over and over until the white line disappears. I know I did not do that here, but that's actually because I thought I was right. But it was still stable like this anyway, so make sure you do it until you can release your finger from the tube and the white line is not showing. Some other cool features about it is that it has this dial in the middle that you can turn, and it shows you the amount of degrees you're turning. And I'm not sure how useful that would be to you, but it is a feature. It has a 1/4 inch thread in the middle and a bunch of what seem to be bigger threads, but it has a lot of different options for you to put anything inside of here, no matter what size it is. So to take this off is also just as simple as putting it on. You put your finger on these tabs and you pull the tab. I've noticed I just pull one tab and then you can hear the suction go away and you can just pull it off quick and easy. If I had to rate this product, I would really give this like a 10 out of 10. It's super useful, super handy, and super quality product for just about $50. Comes with a GoPro mount kit if you have a GoPro, and you can also take this arm off, which is very useful to use in other scenarios if you really wanted to. So I definitely recommend you guys get one of these. Let me know your experience in the comments if you have one. Thank you for watching. Peace.